Hi everybody, it's Adam and Odie, the deer. Hey, we're here today because, actually, it's kind of different. I'm actually on the floor.
Why?
Well, because we're going to actually do some exercise today.
What? You didn't tell me that.
I know I didn't tell you, but it's okay to do some exercise. And it's good to know how to do a couple exercises.
I want strong arms and legs.
Okay, well, you were in luck. We're going to get some strong arms and legs today.
Show me how.
All right, one thing we can do is something called push-ups.
What?
Push-ups are where you take your arms and you start them out really long, squish them short, and then long. So it goes short and long, short and long. You want to practice?
I can try.
All right, ready? Excellent job. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, one more, down, up, 5. You do them. All right. You wait here, right there, in front of the camera, and I will do some push-ups. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's what you do.
Okay.
So that is a push-up, little Odie. I can do those. I think you can too. And you can do those at home too. It's a great way to get stronger arms when you exercise. So then your muscles can do something like that.
Cool. I don't have those kind of muscles.
Don't worry. A few more push-ups and you'll get some muscles like that too. All right. Odie, what should we say to people?
Bye.
And I'll say goodbye.